Hello everyone, welcome to the Queen of Fashion. Friends, today we have added some beautiful Mangalsutra and bracelet combos. Then we added Meenakari Jhumkis. And of course the beautiful Peacock pendant sets. And bangle plus earring combo. And then we have the Crystal Kundan Jaipuri Moti necklace and Korean rose gold plated combos and much more to see in this video. We hope you like this video. For any queries or communication, you can visit our Facebook page, The Queen of Fashion. The link is also provided in the description. Thank you and see you soon.